my channel. I like anything from art to music to makeup and more. So for today's video, I will be doing a Christmas eye look, and I am so excited that it is Christmas, and we're going to be working with some reds, some blacks, doing a very smoky eye. So I have started with my base already done and my eyebrows done, and we are just going to focus on the eyes today. So let's get started. First, I will be going in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette. This is the first palette I got from his line, and as you can see, I have used it a bit. Today we're going to go in with this black shade, Black Rainbow, and it does have a little bit of glitter, but it doesn't show up too much on the eye. And we're going to be starting with this neutral brown shade, Courtney. So let's grab a crease brush. This is the Shayna B crease brush. And just popping it in the crease and blending upward a bit. So I definitely wanted to try something new with my makeup today, with my eye look, and I'm very interested to see how it will turn out, because I have an image in my head of what it will look like, but of course you don't know until you try it. Just putting a little underneath the eyes as well. And then I'm going to go in straight with this Black Rainbow shade and apply it to the same area, keeping this shade directly in the crease instead of blending up. And then I will create the cat eye, winging it out slightly. And that's where I will keep it. Just a little bit more. I do want this shade to be pretty dark, because it is supposed to be a very smoky eye. And just making sure I have the shape that I want. And then from there I will go directly on the lid. Just laying down a nice base, because then we will go over top of it with some glitter. Moving away from this palette, we are next going to go in with the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions mini palette, which has these 9 shades here. And I'm going to go in with this slightly shimmery red shade here. I'm not too sure on what the name is, but it is a true cherry red. And I'm taking the same brush that I cleaned off a bit, and then I'm going to put it directly above that black. And trying not to bring it too high up on my eye. Just making sure that they mesh together well. bring this one up slightly higher to match the other eye. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. So, next is the fun part. Oh, actually, so now I'm going in with the same red shade on the lower lash line, making sure it meets up with the black we applied there. Okay, I think that looks good. Nice and smoky. So now is the fun part. We get to go in with some glitter, and I took off this nail because they are just little sticky press-ons, and this part I want to do with my fingertip to blend it. So this is Black Magic, the liquid shadow, glitter shadow from e.l.f. And I am going in and applying it directly to my lid. And wing it out just slightly. This is really beautiful. And then the same with the other eye. And I was going to blend this out with my finger, but I don't think I need to. I like that you can kind of create the shape you want and just let it be. So that is what I shall do. So now I am going to go in with some glitter on my bottom lash line. And I'm going with the Starry palette by You Can Be. It is all glitter shades. And of course I'm going to go in with this red one. And I will take my nose contouring brush, which is the shadow brush, just because it's a bit thinner. And pick up some of the glitter and place it carefully underneath. You want to be careful because this is actual glitter hunks, so getting this in your eye would be potentially dangerous. So be really careful with your placement. And then same with this eye. And the more glitter you add, the more intense the red will be. Since this is a Christmas look, I want it pretty intense. Alright, and that is it for the eyes, other than, oh yes. So there's this really pretty white glitter here, which has little hearts in it, and I'm going to pick up a bit little bit on one side, on one of the corners of the brush, and just place it right in the tear duct. And the same with the other eye. I just think that is a really fun look. And then actually going to take some of this silver glitter at the top, because why not? And pop it right here where the black stops and cuts off. To give it a more cohesive, glitterified look. Alright, so now the eyes are officially done. Now I will go and apply my mascara off camera. We're going to go in with the lip to finish off the look. And I am using the She Glam Ruby Queen lipstick set once more. I'm going in with the shade Rouge, which is that nice red color. If you guys are curious on how I did the rest of my face makeup as the base, then you can just watch my last video. I repeated the same steps. But this officially concludes our Christmas 2020 red eye makeup, sparkly, smoky eye look. And I really hope you enjoyed. I did try something new, and I think it's so fun and cute. Yeah, I really love the way it turned out, and I wanted to thank you for watching this video. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, so please join me again for the next one. Thank you.